If you head over to this amazing website that says roponeo.com, here you can take this amazing website as an AI agent to generate high quality, amazing, realistic photos as you can do on Midjourney, Leonardo, Pixelum, and so on. Not only that, here you can also convert your images to amazing videos and completely for free. So here in this amazing website, RopoNeo, here you can insert your prompt or your description, or even you can edit any image you want just by uploading here add images or edit your video from this option. So now step by step, first of all, just head over to this button login to sign up for free. And now let's try generating high quality images in this amazing website. So I just head over to ChatGPT to help me to get a prompt for a close-up portrait of an elderly rich man. So I can get this whole prompt, copy and go back to RopoNeo, insert here, perfect, and click over this button, go. And just in a few seconds here, you will be taken to this chat interface. Here at this amazing website, analyze your prompt to give you back an amazing and high quality realistic image, and you will see that. And here you can find these amazing results, perfect, for this elderly man, beautiful result from RopoNeo. And here for sure you can find all these 4 results here in this layers in this canvas as you see. So for sure you can select one of them like this one, image 2 or image 1, 3, 4 and so on. So here you can find for every single image you select amazing panel of these editing tools like AI editing, extender, upscaler, removal. Here you can remove anything you want, split layers like this, okay, cut out, replace text, crop and so on. And for every single image you want to edit something, anything else rather than all these up there options, here you can add it to chat and then you can ask this RopoNeo to edit your image as you like can change this chemise to a different color and so on, or make him bold or something else. Okay, perfect. So here you can find the amazing realistic image from RopoNeo. And now it's time how we can convert this image to video. Simply here I can select this image, okay, and add it to chat to be more specific to this image, and ask RopoNeo to convert it to video. So turn this image to a video as he talking, okay, and now click over enter, and just in few seconds here converts this image to beautiful video as you see here. So I can click over this video, perfect, as he talking, beautiful and amazing one as you see. So just you can open it again, realistic movement of this amazing old man. And now it's time to download this video completely for free without any watermark. And to your knowledge, here in RopoNeo it gives you every day about 15 times to generate high quality and futuristic images. But every single day you have only one video to generate. But for sure you can actually look out and reason up using any temporary and so anyway, just you can got here your beautiful amazing video as a start point to make your own video. So download your video here. Time to generate your high quality voiceover for this man. I can go to ChatGPT again to ask for some pieces of advice like these ones as you observe. So I can get anything randomly like this one about patience. Okay, so I can get this sense, copy, and now we can over to one of the best AI voice generators out there, like for sure 11 Labs. Here you can do it completely for free, or Google AI Studio, where you can go to generate your media and select this Gemini speech generation and select your single speaker, and here you can get a beautiful and lifelike voiceover with delicate accents and so on. So quickly I can get this Gemini speech generation and a single speaker audio and insert here this one, okay, like this one. And now we can download this voice track, download. So I can head over to this stunning website that is Dreamface. Here you can make avatar videos completely for free. So now start now for free. I'm head over to this avatar video, and now upload your own video from RemoCarousel. As here, it shows up. Close this window, and here in this right panel of this screen, you can find this your voiceover. Either you can insert here your text to convert it to voiceover, or if you have an audio file from your device, or you can record yourself. So just in my case, I select this one audio, upload audio from this Google AI Studio in the previous step, upload from device, okay, and accept here and generate. Let's watch.
It's not about waiting, it's about how.
Amazing, isn't it? Again.
Patience, Mike. It's not about waiting, it's about how.
Perfect. So now it's time to download this video. But here, heads up, here you can find this large watermark here in front of you if you download this video. So how we can download this video without any watermark, Dreamface? Here there is a trick. Here click over this white space like this one and inspect like a developer, and here you can go to this option, okay, and select this video, and you can head over to this one, click over it, and here just take this whole link, okay, and Control C, and go to another page, paste, and then you can find your video would be downloaded without any watermark. So let's check it up, any watermark. So now here is something left you've got to know if you want scale your video to be more pretty and more elegant. Here I can head over to this amazing website, topazlabs.com tools video enhancer. So here you can sign up for free, get started, and now upload your file from this option. And here in this left panel you can find scale this video to 1080 or 4K. So I can prefer this one because it takes you from your credits daily about 2 credits. Or if you wanna make it 4K, it takes for every single video 6 credits. But to know in this video how you can make your own video completely for free just in few steps here, rather than using VEO 3 or educational emails and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.